Hey, it's Bob with LSP Data, and today I wanted to touch on the work that we've been doing for AI and code violations respect to Houston, but this applies to all of our offerings for Texas for our code violation platform. And before we jump in, I wanted to give you a quick reminder that we have a free school community, which I'll include the link here. So feel free to join us, come interact with everyone. I'll be adding also projects as well, which may be interesting to you if you're in the prop tech space or if you just want to see how we do a lot of the work that we do. And we're always willing to share. So yeah, come by, sign up. It's free. Ask questions, interact, and yeah, let's get into it. So in the past, obviously, we offer our code violations platform, which gets updated every day. As you can see, today is the 14th of November. I won't show all this other information because it includes names and whatnot, but if you're a customer, obviously you know how the platform works, but I'll give you a quick walkthrough to it as well. Again, why are code violations important? Well, because every time you're not taking care of your trash, obviously, especially for those of you who do driving for dollars, right? It is a wealth of information, being able to see, an abandoned property, maybe there's high grass, etc., right? Many of you are targeting places that, maybe there's been a fire and whatnot, right? So let's jump straight into it. In the past, obviously, you're able to search for any specific descriptions, right? So you can type anything. Let's say vacant, right? Vacant properties, etc. So there's obviously you'd be able to tell based on the description. Again, other keywords like mold, anything that you can think of is probably going to show up here, right? So that's going to give you an idea of what is the situation happening on that specific property. But now, again, because there's thousands, sometimes there's hundreds of thousands of records here or leads, we figure we made it a lot easier by leveraging AI. And basically what the AI is doing is it's reading the descriptions of the violations, right, or complaints. And basically we're able to get, higher confidence, or for you as a customer, right? If you come in, let's say you log in today and you want to see the last 7 days worth of data, or the last month, obviously makes it easier for you to enter it. So let's say if you just wanted to come in, you can literally search for everything, or you can set specific date. So let's say you wanted to look for the last, 50 days, and you're looking specifically for distressed properties, right? So it'll give you different sort of description, right? For this one's squatters, obviously homeless camps, vacant and secure buildings, right? So we basically prompted the AI to return things that are related to a distressed property, right? If we clear the filter, as you can see, we'll go back to 176,000 records, right? So let's say we wanted to just look for anything that is vacant, like as in the property or lots, right? So we selected that, search. As you can see, vacant house with trash. This is related to also a vacant lot, right? This property had a fire, and etc. So like I said, lots of wealth of information, and now we made it a lot easier for you, right? So let's say if you came in, all you have to do here is set the AI indicator that you're interested, or you can multi-select as well. So let's say you wanted to let me uncheck this so I can show you the probate one as well, which is very, very, very impressive. Obviously we made it we call it probate because obviously you know what that means, right? So here it'll tell you, the specific individual was deceased or passed away, right? And again, this is information that you're probably not going to find anywhere else, right? But if you're a real estate investor and whatnot, well, that may provide you an opportunity to reach out to related members, right? And again, let's just take a step back. If I just logged in here, let's say I'm interested in specific property types, right? Many of you are focusing on single family, but obviously it can apply to anything. Let's say you were interested in individuals ownership, right? And let's say you were also interested in just I don't know, let's absentee owners, right? I always recommend to select both primary residence as well. But let's say this was your initial use case, and let's say we wanted to hit search. That's going to decrease the amount, right, of records. And then at that point, if you wanted to, let's say you wanted to do probate and vacant, and distress, right? Pretty much anything that you would give you an opportunity to reach out and market, right? And it's as simple as that. I mean, as you can see, they're very up to date. It'll give you the description of what's going on, right? Again, if we scroll to the right, it'll give us the ownership information, the first name, last name. And basically, it's as simple as exporting to Excel. You're gonna get a spreadsheet that has all the relevant information. I'm not gonna show the individual names, but if I scroll all the way to the right, you also get the information about the property, and it just makes it super easy to skip trace to your favorite platform, right? So again, very, very easy. And I think the point here is to save you time. Many of you want to focus on calling, doing mailers. You want to be on the phone, right? Negotiating. You're not trying to identify what is the best platform of your favorite YouTuber, right? And again, if you're a customer or if you're interested in, give it a try. There's our data, very niche, right? We're data experts. And again, just to kind of give you an idea, we process millions of records on a daily basis, right? Basically, we're leveraging open source models. A lot of them we're hosting on our own server, right? In this case, we're using this specific model. And just to give you an idea of the type of prompt that we're leveraging to identify, vacant properties, probates, to make sure that we're, when there's the words that identify probate, we're not referring to, a pet or an animal or anything else, right? So again, we're still improving the platform, but for now, we'll just leave it there. Again, reminder, join the school community. If you're interested, obviously you can sign up for an individual city, or you can sign up for entire state. So let's say you're interested in signing up for Texas. Again, code violation sign up. Select the state or city that you're interested in, right? In this case, Texas or city. State subscription gives you access to all of those cities. And as a reminder, you can always type LSP data for a 1 week free. And also, if you're signing up for individual city, you can also do the same. So $19.99 a month, sign up. If you're interested in just doing a trial, LSP data, and that's pretty much it. But again, if you want to come and discuss with us, jump on our free school community. If you're interested in a demo, obviously you can request a demo call. Let's jump on a 30-minute Zoom call. And and also if you have your real estate operations as well, right? Let's say you're interested in the tech side, etc. We do offer consultations as well. It is a paid consultation, obviously, but if you're not interested in our product itself, but maybe you're looking to automate your business, a lot of you are, where you get your data from the local counties, etc. So if you need some guidance or help with that, we can also do that. But yeah, take a look, play with the data. It's very easy to export. Very, very hyper targeted marketing that you can do. And obviously, we want you to get some off-market deals out there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.